This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 34 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel's Infinity War series saga. Looking through the magazine, we're looking at the Infinity Abyss. Obviously an abyss that's infinite by the sounds of it. There we go. Obviously featured in a few different series over the years. We are starting the forearm. We got the center of the forearm, the bit that attaches to the glove. We don't attach it yet. We don't actually do anything with it yet at all. All we're doing is looking at it. And we're looking at Rick Jones as well, the Ultimate Fan. And 4 pages to go. There we go. All of those. And another page as well. Tom Brevoort. It's got to be Super Editor. There you go. Obviously did some editing in the House of M and other stories as well. Let's clear this out of the way. We'll have a look at the part, and we'll also have a look at today's free gift. Yes, so there we go. That is the center of the forearm. It's another chunking big metal piece, which is lovely. I mean, it's as big as the glove is already, so we're doubling the size of the gauntlet already. But we're not doing anything with that yet. Next time, we're going to be adding to it and continuing building this part for a little while. But first of all, in the package that I received these 5 issues in was another free gift. This time, it's the staple of the artworks, as well as mugs. You get hats, which you can't go wrong with, really. This is a Marvel Studios branded, embroidered rather than printed as well. So a nice quality hat. It's got adjustment, actually a metal adjustment rather than Velcro as well. And it's all good stuff. It's obviously Marvel branded rather than Fanhome branded. And it is what it is. It's a nice looking hat. I shall put that on the wall along with my other hats and caps. But that is that. So that's another issue done. Not much to do on this one. Next time we're going to be putting a couple of bits together. So a little bit to be done. So I shall see you for that very soon. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.